TinkerCAD tips, 3D printed chainmail and flexible fabrics. We've been talking about several different designs here, and here's another one that I designed myself. This one happens to be 8-sided and has cross members. If we focus in on this one here, you can see I also designed in a center post to help support these cross members while it's printing. Let's back out here. Let's make a copy of this and drag it over. Let's ungroup it. And I can show you the different elements. There's that cross member or the support underneath it. Let's click on one of these and ungroup that. You can see it's made of several different parts. There's the cross members that I added in. And then if we look at this outer portion, and ungroup that, it's the same sort of a thing. We added these cuts in to do the sides, and then there's this center hexagon that we added in to cut out the inside of it. If we look at the fabric that I put together using wave duplication, you can see it's quite filled in. And the one thing that I noticed with this is that in the way that I designed it, there is a bit of a gap between the parts here, but it's a pretty tight gap. So let me show you what this looks like when I 3D printed it. Here's our 3D printed version of that design. I printed it full size, but it's a smaller piece. It printed very well, didn't have any stringing or anything. See both sides of it there. However, because of the design and the really tight tolerances here in the different corners and such, it's not very flexible at all. There's a little bit of give to it, but it's just too tight. This would require a redesign. So as far as 3D printed chainmail or flexible fabrics go, this one is sort of a fail. So like, follow, and share, and if you have comments or suggestions, you know where to drop them. And I guess we'll see you in the next one. I have many more to go over here.